All right, so this is going to be the solution to your graphics creation task 2. It says use a graphics application to create a single balloon. The balloon should be resizable without loss of quality. Resizable without loss of quality. यहां से उसने हिंट दिया कि आपका फाइल फॉर्मेट क्या होगा, अनकम्प्रेस्ड SVG. ठीक है, सो यहां से आपको पता चल गया कि अच्छा जी फाइल फॉर्मेट क्या है. ऑल्दो अगेन इसमें आगे चलते हैं, इसको पहले देखते हैं यहाँ पे. सो द बलून शुड बी रीसाइजेबल विदाउट लॉस ऑफ क्वालिटी. द बलून शुड बी क्रिएटेड फ्रॉम टू शेप्स, द बॉडी एंड द नेक. द टू शेप्स शुड बी कंबाइंड टू मेक अ सिंगल शेप इन अ कंटिन्यूअस 1 point black outline, somewhat similar to this. ठीक है, the balloon should have a pure red fill that creates the appearance of a light blue like this. So this is going to be the brightest point, and then we have the darker version. There should be a drawing added to look like a piece of a string knot knotted around the neck. So you need to draw a string like this. Okay, and the final balloon should look very similar to the shown. Save the image as the red balloon. ठीक हो गया. So we open up Illustrator. Dimension उसने नहीं बताई हुई, डायमेंशन नहीं उसने बताई. So क्या डायमेंशन रख लें हम रख लेते हैं इसकी 600 by 600 pixels. Let's say 600 by 600. RGB 300 ppi. Click on create. Highest ppi for the graphics creation. Export depends on how the settings needs to be set later. दो shapes बनानी, ठीक है. I'll take my ellipse tool. I'll take my properties. Fill color I'm not going to set right now. White ही रख लेते हैं. Stroke मेरे पास 1 point की है, ठीक है. ये हमने एक shape बना, ठीक हो गया. Taking the curvature tool and modifying the shape. लो, ठीक हो गया. Now I'm going to make the neck. I will take my pen tool. 1 point, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ठीक, उसको लगा के प्लेस कर लो. और take the curvature tool. You can actually create the neck like this. ठीक, take your selection tool. You can modify the shape. Let's say like this, and then place it on top of your shape. ठीक हो गया. उसके बाद I need to create this as one shape. For that I need to make use of the shape filter. ठीक है, हम इसको थोड़ा सा elongate कर देते हैं like this, and taking the selection tool, selecting both, then going and selecting the shape filter and drawing and connecting all sections of the shapes to make it one. ठीक हो गया. Once this is done, take your selection tool, come down to fill and take your gradient. अब gradient हमें किस तरह का चाहिए? Gradient हमें चाहिए रेडियल फॉर्म, ताकि ब्लूम दिखा सके, राइट. उसके बाद edit the gradient. Where do I want the brightest point? I want the brightest point to be here. And then I'm going to take and rotate this like this, taking the darkest point, selecting and selecting red color for the balloon, और इसको हम resize कर लें. Double click on it. Double click on it. ठीक हो गया. I've not added any other layer. Doing it on one layer. ठीक. उसके बाद for the string, taking my pen tool, zooming in, pen tool. So let's say 1, 2, 3. Fill color, none. Stroke is there. I'm just going to increase the thickness. Okay. Taking the curvature tool. Let's say I'm going to curve it like this. Curve it like this. Point. That's about it. Zooming out. Taking your selection tool, selecting both property section, x-axis. It is for 300 or 600. 300. It's right in the center. अब इसको हमने करना है export as of what? As a resizable, right? Resizable is going to be SVG. This is going to be my red balloon and export it on your desktop. Settings इसकी भी देख लें. So internal CSS, fine. SVG, preserve the image, right? Layer names should be preserved. Decimal point, how many? Minify, responsive. Going with the default setting, just clicking on OK. So once the export is done, it will look like an HTML file. If you double click on it, it will open up in your browser.
So what does decimal 2 indicate?
Decimal 2 indicates जो आपके पिक्सल डेंसिटी होती है ना, ये उसको रिफर करता है कि कितनी ज़्यादा आपने रखनी है, कितनी कम रखनी है. ठीक है. Default setting is fine. If you zoom in, this will not pixelate. ठीक है. इसको जितना मर्जी जूम कर लो. It will automatically recalculate and the image will preserve its outlines and everything. अगर यही मैं आपको JPEG में या PNG में एक्सपोर्ट करके दिखाता हूँ. So we go to file, we click on export, we click on export as. We define where we want to go save it. Let's say this is my red balloon. So red, and the save as type is going to be, let's say, JPG. Click on export. RGB maximum quality baseline 300 ppi पे भी कर लो आप. 300 ppi पे भी कर लो. तो ये आपका एक्सपोर्ट आया. Double click on it. You zoom in. You will get to see the pixels. So it will pixelate, which is why हम इसको कहते हैं ये एक lossy format. SVG is not lossy. ठीक है. आगे क्या है? Duplicate the balloon to create a pure green balloon. Save the image as the green balloon. Repeat the process to create a pure blue balloon. Save the image as blue balloon. So हमने 3 बनाने हैं different. ठीक है, different colors के from the same image. So what I can do is I can name this as red. I will add another layer. Name this as, let's say, green. Take selection of this image, copy it, come down to the green layer. I can make this invisible and then paste it here. So x-axis again is 300 in the center. Change the fill color of this. Fill color of this balloon. So changing it to, or let's say, edit gradient. Double click on it. I will change it to green, or maybe a darker green. Yeah, that's about it. ये करके इसको भी go to file, click on export, export it as desktop. This is going to be my green balloon. Click on export, but first you need to select SVG. Click on export. Click on OK. Add a new layer. Make this invisible. Name this as blue and pasting my red balloon, checking my properties. The x-axis needs to be 300. Take my selection, bring it up a little. This needs to be 300. Okay, setting the gradient, select only your balloon, edit gradient, change the darkest point to blue. Go to File, click on Export, Export As, and this needs to be your blue balloon. SVG आपका format, click on. अब अगर आप तीनों को देखो तो तीनों बलून्स आपके बन चुके, ठीक है। आगे देखें, create a new image using the 3 balloons. Place the balloons in the order red, green, blue. ठीक, positioned as shown. Save the image as 3 balloons. So red, green and blue. Fine. Red के ऊपर आ जाए, इनको invisible कर लें. Taking my selection tool, placing it like this. If I want these two components to be grouped together, just select them, right click and click on group so that they move at the same time. Let's say one is this. Then we need green balloon. So activate green. Again, I will select both of these components, group them. The green balloon is basically somewhere here. And then we have the blue balloon. Okay, blue balloon. So activate blue, lock these, and selecting the blue and grouping the elements and placing the blue balloon like this. इसका gradient कहाँ पे है? इसका gradient save नहीं हुआ था? Gradient save यहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा. Okay, let's change this to ungroup it. Select this. This is sorry. Done. And we are going to group these. अच्छा जी, अब order देखो. Order needs to be red is on the top in front of the green. So red को आप drag करके ऊपर ले आओ यहाँ पे. उसके बाद क्या है, green पीछे है, blue के ऊपर है. So green को center में ले आए. So this is how it is. And then obviously you can unlock them. Placement आप किस change कर सकते हो. अच्छा, now there is no more room on my document, right? तो आप इसको बाद में भी properties में जाके you can edit the artboard. Document setup. We don't have it here. So let's say edit artboard and let's increase the size of my artboard. Let's say like this. Exit, and then you can paste them. उसके बाद क्या जी, add the text TTS is 10 to a curved path above the balloons. The text should be in a black script font. ना तो ये serif है ना ये sans serif है. It's a script font. By the looks of it, this is basically the Comic Sans font. ठीक है. TTS is 10 हमने curved path पे रखना है. Add the text. A big thank you to you all your loyal clients below the balloons in the same font. The text should be read in a black outline. The final image should be similar to the one shown. TTS in 10 जो है वो आपका black script font है, लेकिन जो big thank you to all your loyal clients है, that is basically red with black outline. तो आपने क्या किया, इनको हम थोड़ा सा और रिसाइज कर देते हैं लाइक दिस, ठीक है। नाउ आई विल टेक माई पेन टूल, क्लिक हेयर, define my path, fill color none, outline is black already. Take my curvature tool and curve this path. Take your text tool, select. The text needs to be Comic Sans. Yeah, Comic Sans like this. And this is TTS is 10. Increase the size. ठीक है, इतना नहीं तो छोटा कर. Take your selection tool, deselect, take your selection tool and place it like this and center it like this. ऐसे ही है, ठीक है. वैसे तो ये और भी थोड़ा सा, ठीक है. Again, I can also edit my output, increase the size from here. Right. Exactly. नीचे वाली लाइंस करनी है, उसके लिए तो सिंपल सा टेक्स्ट लेना है. Big thank you to you all your loyal clients. So click here. क्या टेक्स्ट है? Big thank you to all our loyal clients. ठीक हो गया. Resize this. Let's say this is to be placed like this. In order to change the color, if I change the fill to, let's say, red text with black outline. This is your final image. You can export it in. Final image should be similar to the one shown. Save this image as TTS10. Export a copy of the image in a bitmap format. Now this, up until this point, you are to keep on saving the SVG format. यहाँ पे उसने कहा save a copy of the same image in a bitmap format. Bitmap format वही हो गया, BMP है, JPG है, PNG.
with a transparent background.
Transparent background तो कौन सा बनता है? PNG बनता है. तो PNG में कर. File, click on export, export as, let's say, desktop. I'm going to save it as a copy and change the format to PNG. Click on export, settings आएंगी, screen size 72 ppi. Again इसमें आपके लिए art optimized है. I can even set it to 300 ppi. कोई resolution defined नहीं है. Transparent background, click on OK. So ये आपके पास image आ. ठीक है. So this was the solution to your exercise 2.